ever see a fourth lane backed up? People trying to cut in all the way down the road? We're almost beating the fourth lane out. He's waiting for somebody. He's just waiting.
What's going on?
What's happening? We got an accident. He broke down.
Broke his tire or something.
Lost his spindle.
Yeah.
They're coming in the haze. Coming in for a landing. Going over the building. Landing. Gonna jump. There he goes. Disappeared. Alright, we're watching the plane come in. Japan Airlines, JAL. And that's not a bad price. When you add $230 more, you could get the mission. And that is not a good price, $549. Nice picnic table. Oh yeah. Nice and clean. What they're doing, all this work. 4 buckarulos. That's 399.9 tenths, not 14 tenths.
390 traffic. Look at this. Look at this.
A tour bus.
Yeah,
Detour
does he know he
lost.
can't be on here?
Doesn't belong on a parkway. Oh, racing, oh, cutting off. Cinnabon on fire.
What's on fire?